Welcome again to another plan design. So we will see this wonderful plan design. This is G plus 1. Number of 4 bedroom on first floor and number of 1 bedroom on ground floor. Ground floor bedroom you can consider for guest room and you can consider for your general room also. No issue. Ground floor we have wonderful kitchen, hall, dining and one separate store and backside entrance. Everything is there. So our entrance from here this side. We are getting enter from here. And you can see here this is our boundary 355 by approximate 20 meter. So from the length. So this is our sitting area and this is our entrance. We are entering here getting this is our ground floor. Keep in mind this is our ground floor. We will discuss ground floor, then we will go first floor. So let us start this one from here. So this is our hall 390 by 475 and this side very wide hall, dining, everything included, everything here. So 575 by 680. So you can see here this column design and this arch. So for the purpose this is the division for interior design. So you can keep here your dining table, rest of the things. So this is our dining area and again this is our wonderful arch with column. So we are getting here the side bedroom 560 by. I'm very much for the inconvenience, maybe you are listening lot of noise, so please avoid that noise. Just focus my drawings and my words. Thank you very much. So this 516 we are here bedroom and 390. This is attached bathroom 250 by 230 centimeter. You can see here this is our store. It means from the stair down parts we have provided 290 by 250 store. So we are coming here. This is our kitchen, wonderful kitchen. And one thing here with the living and dining we have common washroom and toilet 170 by 2 meter, 160 by 2 meter. So this wonderful kitchen 460 by 550 and this is our store 460 by 230. Store you can customize for your maid room or anything else, whatever you want. This is our back side entrance 210. So this wonderful ground floor plan. Ground floor plan covering generally one bedroom, store, kitchen and attached bathroom with bedroom and one separate store again and toilet, washroom, dining, very wide dining and very wide hall. Now we are reaching our first floor. So you can see this is our first floor. So we are getting wonderful very wide living 440 by 585 and this side 860. Now we are getting this bedroom 580 by 575 and this side we are getting wide dress area 265 by 280 and this side also we can keep our cupboard. You can see a number of two cupboard we can adjust here. This 70 centimeter and this is attached bathroom 200 by 300 centimeter. Exhaust we are given this way. You can see this small duct why coming like this for the design purpose. For the design purpose, elevation design purpose, we have placed here like this. So again we are getting here. This is another bedroom 575 by 575 by 520 and this attached bathroom here 320 by 200 centimeter. And this again you can keep outside your cupboard or whether you otherwise you can keep inside also, no issue. Again we are reaching this bedroom 580 by 520 and this is attached bathroom 320 by 200 centimeter. We already discussed this bedroom 440 by 516. So number of 4 bedroom here we have wonderful and number of 1 bedroom ground floor. So this G plus 1 having 4 bedroom on first floor, 1 bedroom on ground floor and kitchen, dining, hall, wonderful store and unique design. You can see here, we will see our window. We have given this hall 2 side window, one here, another here and this dining we have given window is this side and we will come to our washroom toilet. So we have given this side window for our duct purpose, for our exhaust purpose, ventilation purpose. This kitchen we have given this side and we have provided this store here, small window. So this is our bedroom. We have given this side our window and this is our bathroom, attached bathroom. So this you can see here, this is something very unique. This is something very very confusing why we have made like this, because the purpose of elevation design I have made like this. So the reason I can design my elevation is very wonderful. So the reason this is something like this. We are coming here, everything same. You can see this part coming continuous up to first floor and here we are getting window and again here we are getting window. We are getting window this side also and this side also. For bathroom everywhere we have placed our exhaust and this is our bedroom. So wonderful. So everywhere window, doors, everything arranged in very much proper way. Even you can see here our furniture layout also everything added like shower tray, wash basin, water closet. I hope you got this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Thank you very much.